And now the fourth option, the fourth widget, if you go to elements here or widgets, all widgets, and then you have this widget, fourth widget called as image carousel, right? What is this? As you can see here, this is a section, and this is heading element, this is text element, this is also description text element, and but this is the widget that we are talking about, where we can create image carousels. Carousel is nothing but these sliding images are known as carousels in CSS, and they are very popular to, if you see, I'll just drag it and drop it over here, and now I need to select, I need to make a group of images, right? So here I have this under content section, I have this option called as image carousels, and under image carousel I need to click on this plus icon and select images to be shown in that carousel. So what I'll do is, let me select these 5 images and then create a gallery. You can add captions here in case it is required for your project, but for now I'll just leave it empty and click on insert gallery. Right now I'll make it full, and then image size is done. Slide shows, slide to show, let's say 2 slides, or let's say 5 slides, and then slides to scroll, let's make it 1 slide per scroll, and then image stretch, no or yes. Image stretching is nothing but it'll stretch your image and tries to fit into the component where you're inserting this widget. Wherever you're trying to insert this widget, the image will take on the complete position, complete area. And then let's have arrows, and then we can have captions, but then we did not add any captions, right? So it is it'll make no sense even if we enable it. And then you can link images, media file or custom URL. You can add link to these images. Let me keep it right now none. In advanced options we have autoplay. You want this to scroll automatically, or it should pause on once you hover on it. Let me do it no, and then pause on interaction, yes, and autoplay speed 5 seconds every 5 seconds. 5000 milliseconds is 5 seconds, so every 5 seconds it will scroll, right? Infinite loop, yes. Animation speed 500, and direction right or left, you can decide. Right now if you go to styles, you can decide the size of arrows. Arrows and dots. There is arrow here, but it is not visible right now, so we'll make it more prominent. Just a minute. Under styles option we have navigation styling options, right? So we can increase the size of this arrow, and also we'll be able to update the color of this arrow, right, so that it is visible. And then dots we can color, let's make it white, and then let's slightly increase the size of dots so that it is more visible. Here you can see the dots. If you don't want that dots to see, then to be visible, then you can go here under contents, under navigation, just click on arrow. This is also fine. And then under styles, let's go to image, and then you can assign. You can just make it vertical, middle, or end, in the sense in the vertical alignment, bottom, or top, or in the center. And then this is not applicable here, but in few cases where the design is complex, or say if in this column, this is a big column, right? Inside this section we have the first column, this one, and in that first column if we had only one element of this carousel, then you can make it align top, center, or bottom. Anyways, these alignments and CSS stylings we will anyhow see in detail in projects section. So right now you need to know about these widgets and what are the use cases of these widgets. That's it, right? And here, spacing, you can add more spacing. If you don't want to add, it'll just mix up with each other, and I guess it has to be, there has to be a little bit spacing as well so that it looks neat, right? And then border type can be solid or double dotted. I guess no border is fine. Then you can add some padding border radius, but it doesn't look good here. Either you make it circle or keep it square or rectangle, right? Okay, and then going to advanced, again we have margin, padding, and then motion effect, background, border, position, right? These are all same for most of the widgets, so there is nothing to be explained over here. And then yeah, we have seen all the options over here now. So let's move ahead with the next widget. Go to all widgets here, and then we covered image box, we covered icon box, star ratings, image carousels, and now let's see gallery.